Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anastasia. I am Russian language teacher and today will be no typical topic. I would like to share with you my experience and my thoughts about learning languages and how learning languages can help you in this modern world when almost every person is very nervous, have anxiety, worrying about the future, and how your teacher new foreign language can help you with your mental health. So let's discuss it. Write in comments if you agree with me or no. First, when you learn the language that you like, it's maybe most important. When you learn language, when you learn new words, and when you already see the first results, your brain releases dopamine and it helps you to mind off the stress, the anxiety. When you do, for example, the grammar exercise that you didn't understand 1 week ago and now you already see something very new and you already can do this, you understand it, your brain again get this dopamine and it make you happier and your stress become less. Just imagine 1 month ago you didn't know anything about the language and now you already can speak, you already can do grammar, you already found friends, and when we do something new, usually we get more energy and become happier. Second, be careful with this point. Just don't use your teacher as a psychologist too much. Anyway, when you come to classes, you tell about yourself. Yeah, your teacher listen to you very deep. Yeah, your teacher remember a lot of things about you. You already feel not so lonely if you felt it before, because even our friends sometimes don't know about us the things like what you really dream about, what you really want. Yeah, and when you have classes, I also remember my classes in school, in the university. We always, in our English classes, thought about the things that I would never care in just my ordinary life, about your day, yeah, about what you really want from this life, what you think about different questions and different topics like arts, like health, like relationship, love, money. All the things we discuss, and sometimes you find the answers that you couldn't find for a long time. Most important that you speak. Yeah, usually people visit psychologists just to tell, to speak, just that someone could listen to them, and also you feel special yeah, when you speak for this hour only about yourself. And maybe sometimes you can even think different about your life values. The third one, not typical idea. Maybe you agree with me, maybe you disagree, but when we speak in foreign language, we can be more honest. When you say something in foreign language, it's easier to pronounce the things that are important for you in foreign language because you feel this not so deep. And for example, to say I love you in your language and to say I love you in foreign language, for example, if I say я тебя люблю in Russian and if I say I love you in English, it is very different things. So for me, in my native language, this phrase is too strong. But when I say it in English, I can say it much easier. I can say it without any worries. Or maybe you need to show that you don't like something. Yeah, you can be more direct. Especially in Russian language, we are all the direct people, yeah, and we don't care too much about what people think about us. We try to be honest. Communicating with people from different cultures also can help you with your anxiety. I am a very boring person, but when I speak with people from different cultures, I understand that this world is so huge and we are all from different cultures, different countries, and it's so surprising for me that we are all are the same. Yes, we have maybe some differences in understanding this life, but in general, we have similar jokes, we have similar values. Yeah, we are all wanna be happy, and happiness for the people around the world, it is the same. And for me, it was surprising to know that even if person has very different culture from me, this person want the same from this life, worry about the same things, have problems, and worry about the same things I worry about. And you feel yourself like the part of this world. Learning a new language make you more self-confident, because when you find this force, this energy to speak a foreign language, you feel more brave, you're stronger, you feel stronger, you feel like you can do this, and it will help you in other areas of your life. If you find this strength to overcome this embarrassment to start speaking in a foreign language, even if you understand that you do mistakes, that you maybe sound kind of funny, strange, but you do this, you feel like you are a winner, yeah, and your brain always catch it, and it will help you to do best results in your work, in your love relationship. And also my favorite idea that maybe I will tell in other videos is that every language changes us. For example, German language make you more structured. French, Italian maybe will make you more romantic, more open-minded, more relaxed. Yeah, Russian language make you prepared for everything in this life. You become stronger, harder, and everyone will find something new in yourself when your brain create these new strategies of thinking that this new language give you. And sure, you save yourself from the problems of mental health when you will become old. My students very often say me that after the classes they feel more relaxed, like they were already not so much about their life. Yeah. And I also feel the same when I had classes, even if I was not in the best mood after my classes of maybe French or Spanish. I felt this energy, I felt happier, I felt stronger, that oh my gosh, I can do this, oh, I'm so smart, I'm so cool. And I already was more motivated, happier in general. I felt really good. This is just my ideas. Write in comments what you think, how the language help you, and also book a class with me. I'm looking for guys who are interested, really interested in learning language. So please don't write me in Telegram, Nastya, how are you doing? I look for a girlfriend. I block these messages. Don't be upset, okay? I think that normal people understand it. I work only with normal people, and if you're really interested in learning Russian language and you're looking for positive and professional teacher with education, I will be waiting for you in my first class. See you soon. Bye bye.